On today's adventure, we're going inside Dollywood Splash Country Water Park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Today is Water Safety Day. This is something near and dear to my heart, having once been a firefighter paramedic and having responded many times to drownings and near drownings. I was excited to come in here and check out all the things that are offered as far as swim lessons and education. So let's head inside the water park and see what's going on today. Water Safety Day. We're going to do a large swim lesson out here in the wave pool.
Here we go. Ready and underwater for 5. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Very nice. Okay, everybody ready, set, go. Are we going to be safe in the water? Safe in Dollywood today? All right, everybody say Dollywood! Say Dollywood! Say Splash Country! Say thank you! Say thank you, Dollywood! All right, and the swim lesson is over! Everybody walk out of the water!
So one of the things they're doing here at Water Safety Day at Splash Country is as you visit a bunch of the different vendors, if you complete it, you actually are eligible to win season passes. So that's a pretty neat thing. You can go by, get some resources and education from all the different local agencies, departments, and organizations that can help out, and potentially win season passes. I'm going to show you some of the vendors. You got Sevier County Rescue Squad, you got Sevier County Emergency Management out here. You also have Tennessee Wildlife Resource Agency. Looks like you got Covenant Health Education Coordinator. Thompson Cancer Survival Center is out here. You have the Dollywood Splash Country Lifeguards out here handing out lifesavers. I got a bucket of lifesavers here. You can come over here, do a little CPR, not necessarily get certified, but you can get the basics down. ISR, Infant Swim Resource. Our kids did this, really great resource to use. And we have the Pigeon Forge Police Department out here giving out the kids some hats. And the Pigeon Forge Fire Department. Out here they've got some first aid kits and some glasses. So one thing I wanted to point out that they're doing here is they're showing people compression-only CPR. So back in the day, the American Heart Association used to teach people to do chest compressions and then breathe for them mouth to mouth. Well, they basically found that a lot of people wouldn't want to put their mouth on other strangers, so they've gone to compression-only CPR, where if you can at least do 100 compressions per minute, that will actually help circulate oxygen in the brain. So even if you just found somebody unresponsive and you could do just chest compression CPR, that could definitely save a life. So that's something they're showing people, how to position your hands and how to properly do CPR on an unresponsive person in need of CPR. So now that we finished up the large swim lesson in the wave pool, we're now back here at one of our family's favorite place to come, tucked away in the back of Splash Country. This is the Cascades. Very relaxing. You're surrounded by trees. And one thing you'll notice over here to the right is they're doing a special needs swim lesson. And you also have an ISR swim lesson going on right here, Infant Swim Resource. Again, my kids have done this, highly recommend it. It's very effective. It teaches them to roll on their back and to continue to breathe if they fall into the water. So as for utilizing this would be something in advance you could let them know you're interested in participating. Same thing with the large swim lesson that we just watched. Well, it's a beautiful day here in the Great Smoky Mountains at Dollywood's Splash Country. You can even see the mountains way off here in the distance, but everyone cooling off here at the water park on Water Safety Day. Thing I wanted to point out that Splash Country does is they do provide life jackets for free. So a number of life jackets located throughout the park. There are even some over by the wave pool you can see here that you can grab one before you hop in the wave pool. Well, that wraps up our look at Water Safety Day inside Dollywood Splash Country. I'm going to put a bunch of resources in the description of this video that you might find helpful. Also put the full tour of this water park. If you'd like to come here in the future, you can check that video out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Feel free to subscribe and support our efforts to bring you more adventures here in the Great Smoky Mountains and beyond. Have a blessed and safe day.